Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. I'm going to talk firstly Talbot Express and to do with the problem I've got. And the problem I've got with it, if I go up a steep incline with a van and stop and just pull up and then I try and select reverse gear, I can't get reverse gear. And what I have to do is to either put the van on a level surface and I get reverse gear back, or I turn the engine off for a bit, let it have a rest, start it. And the conclusion I'm coming to after speaking to several people is that it's an engine mount problem. Now I've ordered a set of engine mounts, including the uprated one, because it's obviously that there has been problems in the past, and you can get an uprated, I think it's a right hand bracket in the engine compartment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox them and show you what they look like. This is the 3 engine mounts, or engine and gearbox mounts for the Talbot Express 91-92 model. When the bonnet's open, under the spare wheel carrier, this is the right hand engine or gearbox mount, and this is the upgraded one. So there's a reason why they've upgraded it, and I don't really know why, apart from the fact it must have had problems in the past. This is under the engine compartment again. This is sort of on the engine end to the chassis. This one is held down with hex bolts, so you need like an Allen key or hex key to remove them, a special tool, which I'll probably have to make one. And this is the gearbox mount underneath, which sag apparently, and it causes gear change problems as well. And there's 2 available for the Talbot Express. One is 70mm diameter, I believe, and the other one's 85. I measured mine on the van and it measures 80, so it's difficult to measure when it's still attached, so I've gone for the 85 because 70 looks too small, so hopefully it will fit okay. So there's 2 bolts there by the look of it, and the main one through the centre. The weather is absolutely atrocious. It's been like it for 4 or 5 days. The van's in storage on gravel outside, and it's like a swimming pool, so I can't really attempt to do it at the moment. So there'll be a 2-part to this video, and the kit, by the way, costs about £95 including delivery, and I think it'd be well worth it if it solves the problem. The other thing I've got with the van, which occasionally does, is I don't know what you call it, when you are just releasing the clutch, it goes the whole van shakes. I think it's it could be oil on the clutch plate, it could be a problem with a distorted clutch diaphragm, I think, and you get this clutch judder effect, and that could also be because the engine is moving in its rubbers. So we'll see what happens, but thanks for watching so far, and I'll try and do a video of me doing this, but it's going to be very difficult to do. And I'm going to do an oil change on the van and a filter change as well, but I don't think I'm going to bother with a video because most people these days know how to do an oil change. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and keep a lookout for part 2 of the series to do with the engine mounts.